Learn piano with Indian musical system. Learning piano with Indian musical notations can be beneficial for several reasons. Cultural connection. It allows you to connect deeply with Indian classical music, understanding its clarity and expressions more effectively. Familiarity. If you already have a background in Indian music, using you can feel more intuitive and familiar, making the learning process smoother. Visual and oral connection. Indian music heavily emphasizes ear training and the ability to recognize and reproduce notes by listening. This focus on auditory learning can help pianists develop a keen sense of pitch and improve their ability to play by ear. Conclusion. By leveraging these advantages, you can find learning the piano with Indian musical notes to be an enjoyable and effective approach. Practice tips. Start slowly. Begin to play at a slow tempo to ensure accuracy and evenness. Use a metronome. Gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable with the patterns. Maintain consistency. Ensure each note is played evenly and clearly. Focus on fingering. Use appropriate fingering to facilitate smooth transitions between notes. Sing along. If possible, sing the notes as you play them to internalize the sound and improve your ear training. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re sa. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga ma ga ma pa dha pa da ni da ni sa ni da pa dha pa ma ga re ga re sa ga sa. sa re ga ma re ga ma pa ga ma pa dha ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma dha pa ma ga pa ma ga ri sa. Sa re ga ma ga ma pa ma dha ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni da pa ni da pa dha ni da pa ma dha pa ma pa dha pa ma ga pa ma ga ma ga ri sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials.